Happy Friday. It is technically our last day at Disney World. We are actually here. Sorry, I'm looking for Jason. We are actually here tomorrow too, but we leave at 2:45. That is the time that we catch our Magical Express home. So today is our official last full day. And we are heading out to Hollywood Studios today. We got a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance, boarding group 33, which is even earlier than Tuesday, so that's super exciting. And Jason got dressed and came down here before me, so now I'm just looking for him, and then we will be on our way. It's another lovely, lovely day. I found him. We'll see how close he gets before he spots us. I think he spotted us.
Boat just pulled up if you want to try to get on.
All right.
If you'd rather go.
Let's go. We're at Studios.
The Studios.
It's nice out again today. It doesn't feel as cold as yesterday.
No, the sun, you can really feel the sun today.
Yeah, and there's not as much wind.
Yeah.
Because I think the temperature is a little bit lower right now than it was yesterday.
Supposedly.
But the waits are already long.
Yeah, everybody's here again.
Hard to say though at the beginning of the day. It
Everybody
could just be
packs up right away.
Yeah, and Rise of the Resistance has not started boarding yet.
Yeah.
Which is frustrating because we got boarding group 33 today.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, oh, that'll be within the first hour. Well, now they're still not boarding. So who knows? At least we've already ridden it once.
We might not ride any rides today.
We might not. That'd be weird, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
No rides? But this is the best park for that, I think.
We're gonna have to be willing to wait.
You want to hold this for a second? My arm's tired. Don't you think this might be the best park for that? And I know that sounds weird because this park probably also has some of the best rides.
Yeah.
But it has the best atmosphere.
Yeah.
To me, for sure. If you have to sit around and, you know, take in the atmosphere, this is the best park to do it in. I bet we'll be willing to wait in a couple of lines. It's mostly this one. I wait in a longer line than he does usually.
Yeah.
But I also hate for our last day to have like several big chunks of time wasted waiting in line.
Yeah.
So we'll see what we get up to, but my tummy is rumbling. You might have to find a little bit of a treat for breakfast.
All right.
All right. So we're at Hollywood Studios, and we've already been ranting about people. Yeah, you got a Incredible Frozen Flame, it was called.
Yep.
From Joffrey's. It's passion fruit and strawberry. It's really good. I got a vanilla latte, and then we each got a classic Joffrey's donut. We've already been ranting about people. Just little things.
Just sound like
we're so up curmudgeonly and above it all, but just little things that get frustrating. Like, you know, we ordered all this stuff, and it took us, you know, 30 seconds to place our order, and it took the people in front of us who ordered 3 donuts and 1 coffee like 10 minutes because she had 15 questions about the coffee. Without knowing exactly what people say, we can't really be, you know, whatever, fairly judged, but doesn't it just seem like, you know, this isn't like an empty restaurant. This is a theme park with a line. Look at what you want and figure it out before you get up there. And then, as we're getting ready to come here, there's a 40-minute line for Rock and Roller Coaster. And there's a place for us to cut through the line because there's a woman with a stroller who's literally got everything emptied out of her stroller onto the ground and is repacking it in the line.
As the line moves that way.
Yep. With people stuck behind her. And this wasn't like one thing or readjusting her kid. This was like her whole stroller was dumped out onto the street. I just don't understand people. Anyway, they're still not boarding for Rise of the Resistance, and it is 10:17. That's not promising.
Should have been on by now.
Hopefully it's not closed all day. That's the only way I can see us not getting on boarding group 33 is if it's closed all day. But I'm thinking anybody who was planning on getting a 1 p.m. boarding group is out of luck now. So I'm guessing there's not going to be a lot of those. But anyway, we're going to go enjoy our beverages and our donuts.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transports. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3.
Stressful.
It is stressful.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Squads, we're loading up.
Pucara bound personnel, this is your final call to board. Recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
I like this spot.
Good.
Right in the middle.
Look when I got on hyperdrive. Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive needs a ganitaro review.
Good. Airspeed sensor?
Review.
Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta clear the path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little Twig, get out there!
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This vessel has been coming here for the first order. Everyone on board will disembark once. Put that little plainly for some of you. Essentially that means get out now.
I had this game on my phone.
Go on.
Captain Stills, report to 3R Level 2 for deployment supervision.
Two.
One, both of you. Be along the wall, so the lady lieutenant there. Over here, stay single file as we go down.
Silver. Alright, this whole line is spies. Let's go. Do not lean against the walls. 2.
2.
Stand on blue. You're the silver. Now look down at the color you were just assigned and memorize it. In a moment, I'll call you by your colors. You're going into that cell to find it again. Very simple instructions. Don't mess it up.
Hardly anybody else in there.
Nice. Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Couple of silver right here, all the way in. Once you are seated on the left or left or right.
Finn, we have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way.
Reportos para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu.
Let's do it.
Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. What? Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in attention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
No, go there. Oh yeah.
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's back in the blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
That was so cool.
Yeah.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the neutral cannons!
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Good job.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scout for his pod beacon.
I see him.
Oh.
I see him.
Sector 4.
Verification pending from
Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
That's all about being stepping into the
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! It's all my fault! Oh no! It's jumping the track! Minnie, let's get that rolling train! Not a chance!
Hooray, hooray, hooray!
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga! Da, 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 da.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hi, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so we can go crazy round. By my side. Those stars will be on nothing can stop us
Glowing. I love this ride. It is so fun. It's really cute. Worth the wait.
You got the bag and everything.
Okay,
all right. Well, look at the bottom of your thing there.
Okay. So,
TV series. You need a head, one or two, round or
like these little
purple.
heads?
Yeah.
I kind of want purple.
And you need a middle thing.
What do they look like?
Well, that big chunky thing, and then you need two of the.
Like these?
Yeah. Are you going all purple? Oh, they come as a set?
Yeah. I kind of want all purple. Purple and black, though, don't you think?
Oh, there's purple and white and purple.
So then what do we need? We need the middle thing? Like that?
And that's an R2.
But I mean, that's what we're looking for?
Yeah. I see one there.
Okay. And then that should be it, right?
Option 3. Well, there's option. Oh, so you can get a square head.
What's that?
Or with a camera. I don't know. Is that inside the head? No.
I don't know. Oh,
There's
it's right
that
there.
thing.
And then that.
There's that one, yep.
Should that be everything, do you think?
Does that go on top of that?
I can't
I
tell.
don't know what that means. Oh yeah, because those must be, that has to go with that.
Yeah.
The other ones have, good with that color?
Huh?
Good with that color?
Do you think I should do a different color?
No, I'm just asking.
I like it.
Alright.
I guess we ask somebody if we have everything.
We gotta wait in line. So. Going with all purple.
I assume they'll look.
Yeah.
I've kind of been wanting purple, but I like the purple and black better than the purple and white.
Yeah, you could get a purple and white head and a purple and black.
Well, that's what I do kind of have.
Oh yeah, I do. Oh yeah, you do.
I kind of like that.
I like that.
A little bit different, but still purple.
There's the same one there.
Yeah.
There's an IG-88 head.
Oh.
All right, here we go. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you.
There he is.
There he is. RM8. Named after our lions, who we call the reigning manes. And there's 8 of them. That was fun.
Cool little bag and everything.
Yeah. Little pocket if he wants to peek out. But he doesn't because he's scared.
Uh-oh, he's scared already?
He's shy.
He's shy?
He's shy. He's so cool. We're gonna have to play with him in the hotel room tonight.
Yeah.
Can we tuck you in there?
Now he's all tucked in.
He's all tucked in. Look how nice this bag is.
Yeah.
I mean, that's awesome. Ooh, boardwalk pizza.
Again. It's a little misshapen.
It is, but it looks delicious still. And Force Awakens, because we had to.
Because of the new...
RM8 wants to watch it. See, he's sitting over there with Lotso. We'll wrap up the night after we enjoy our dinner.